What's up, Cardano holder? Welcome to another brand video. In this video I have a lot of good news, my friend, for all Cardano holder and especially for my viewers, my subscriber who are subscribed my channel. Absolutely, he is one of the good, my friend, for earning in crypto. Definitely, my friend, he earn a lot of money in crypto, and definitely if you also want to earn money in crypto, now you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brothers, let's start the live price prediction of Cardano coin. But this time, my friend, I have a very good update for all of you. Now, as you can see here, my friend, this time the Cardano price, the highest price is 2.43 USD dollar, and the current price is also not bad, my friends, 2.4 USD dollars. So definitely that's mean to the price will be increasing now. And as you can see, my friends, 0.99, so that's mean to 1%, my friends, they are profit now just in last 24 hours. So definitely it's also very good, because in those days everybody know this to crypto market is not compatible. Every coin were very badly falls down. So therefore I am really, my friends, happy to Cardano will give me 1% profit every day. So I will also notify you, my brothers, to in upcoming time. There is absolutely 100%, my friends, chance to they will move upward, because it's the end of month. At the end of month, every coin will wake up and moving upward. So therefore, I am really, my friends, happy to see this, and I know to upcoming time they will give me a lot of good profits now. So therefore, I will also notify you, my brother, to please don't starting selling, hold it. I hope they will make you millionaire now. So this is my personal advice, my friend, for all of you. Please remember, this is not a financial video. And my friends, my opinion is absolutely, my friend, for all of you now to please hold it now. What's your opinion? You also share in a comment box. But my opinion, my friend, for all of you to please hold it and set it at the end of month. I hope they will give you a very good profit now. So thanks for watching. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel.